revexport.com, empowering, enhancing, informing. Hello friends, welcome to revexport.com. Today we will be reviewing Boya M1 lapel microphone, which is used for smartphone, action cameras, DSLR, amplifiers and portable speakers. So this is the model Boya M1, which will be reviewed by us, which was ordered by one of our customer from Amazon. So this is the microphone with 20 feet wire and one jack, battery and collar mic. So let's start unboxing of this particular product. So this is the package what we have got from Amazon, and we have the seller GMR agency from Hyderabad. So the package, the order package is very nice, nicely sealed without any damage. So start unpacking it. The box, and it also includes the invoice. The price is $7.99 at the time of purchase. These are the particulars of the order, and nothing else apart from this. So now we will be unpacking the box. So this is the model Boya M1 what the customer was ordered. So these are the features and specifications of the product. Actual MRP is $1650. Let's see what we have received in the package. So we got a small pouch, an instruction manual, and also warranty card. So these are the contents. Let's open the pouch. So this is the actual contents. We got a small pack. So this is the mic what we are looking for. So it contains two options, camera and smartphone. In addition to this, we received a small package with a collar clip, one non-destructible, one jack and a battery. So these are the content what we have received in the product. So this is the mic. So I am connecting the sponge which avoids the disturbance in the call. Next video we will see instruction manual. So this is the instruction manual we have received, explaining how to use the microphone, how to assemble it, and what are the steps we need to follow. And how to use this microphone with smartphone, laptop, camera, amplifier. So we have instructions regarding those, and how to replace the battery. the specifications. So this is all about the instruction manual what we have received. And this is the warranty card. So 1 year of warranty mentioned without any physical damage. So these are the content what we have received in the box. Hope you liked this video. In the next video we will be demonstrating how to assemble this mic and how to use this mic with smartphone and an amplifier and portable speaker. So don't forget to watch next video and subscribe our channel to get latest video updates and more reviewed product updates. Thank you for watching this video.